everybody, welcome back to Debra's Felt Studio. Well, as I said before, it's a rainy day in the north of England and I've come into my studio and I've just started to look at all the little bits of felt that I have and thinking I'd like to make some Christmas gifts. So I'm going to have a little look in my stash of pre-made felts. When I say pre-made, I've made them, and just show you some of the easy things you can do with felt that you already have. So join me. And if you don't have any felt, at the end of this video, you can have a look and I will link in easy felt making tutorials so that you can make sample pieces that you can cut up and just have lots of fun with. So let's brighten the afternoon. So here I am at my table and you can see I've lots of scraps here in my working basket, could I call it? And these are just some of the projects that I'm on with. So I'd made a piece of felt here. In fact, I have a link to how to do this exact one, which I'll put at the end of this video. And then I've just got random pieces of felt that I've made and cut up. And in fact, this was the one I made a couple of weeks ago, my autumnal one, making beautiful pieces of silk, sari, wool and silk felts. And then this is one that I did yesterday. I just want to show you close up. The colours are just sumptuous, and I've already cut into this one, and let me just show you what I've made. So I made myself a little felt purse which I've lined, and I've put some little bobbles on the end, and then just some press studs. I've just sewn up the sides with a blanket stitch, but the colours are just so rich. I love working with silks and wools. And then this is a piece that I cut up from the piece I made yesterday, but I just want to show you how gorgeous these silks are, these pieces of felt that I've made. And in fact, I think the video is changing the colour somewhat. They're more teal than blue, but when I go close, I mean, you can just see the scrumminess, I can't think of a better word, scrumptiousness of this fabric. So I've just cut it up from here, and then I'm going to turn these into beautiful felt purses. And I think I might have leaf closures, like something like that, or you know, I may just stick with the balls that I've sewn underneath. Not sure yet. And this is the other one, so I'm going to have two of these purses. I think they're going to be Christmas presents. And again, felt leaf closure. I've obviously yet to sew it, but that's something to look forward to. Just place these down there. And here are some other bits and pieces I've made by cutting out the felt. Sorry, I'm just having trouble. There we go, zooming in. But I've put a piece of silk velvet in the middle there and just sewn it around with a sewing machine, with a free stitch sewing machine. The same here. This one's very bright. Put a little bobble on the end. And then here I'm going to be sewing this into a bird decoration for my Christmas tree. And I've got several leaves here. like to machine stitch over these, so I'm going to have to wait till my sewing machine has been prepared. But in the meantime, I think I'm going to make a pair of earrings out of these. I've got some beads and I've got some other little pieces of felt that I made, and I'm going to attach those as well. So here goes. I've got some cotton, and now I just need some attachments. So here we are with the finished gifts that I've made for Christmas. I've added some little legs to my bird and a tail and a little crown, as well as these ribbons to hang them onto the tree. And these are my earrings on some silver backs. And there you go, my 3 little Christmas gifts made from scraps of felt.